Hey guys, so I came back to Augustine's house. It's like Sunday around 5 p.m. and he's not home, but I'll walk around a little bit outside to see if anybody knows where he is. And if I don't find him today, I'll try to come back tomorrow. I'm just trying to find him before I take off to my new destination. Someone donated 1 month's rent for him here, so I'm gonna give that to him and then maybe get him some rice and things like that. But I'm gonna look outside. If I don't find him today, I'm gonna come back with a friend tomorrow, and hopefully he'll be here tomorrow. But I'm gonna walk outside and just kind of see if anybody knows where he is. Do you guys know Augustine? Augustine?
Tiyo. Dara. Aman tiyo. Usti. Dulo ni mo. Nilakaw.
No?
No, we don't know.
Do you think he'll be here tomorrow?
Tonight, he'll be here tonight. Yeah, okay, tomorrow. He'll be here tomorrow.
Can you tell him I'll meet him tomorrow at like 11 a.m.?
11 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or what time do you think is a good time for him?
It's maybe in the morning. It's good for that 11 a.m.
11's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll come back here at 11 a.m.?
Yeah.
All right, can you tell him for me?
Okay.
All right.
What is your name again?
I'm Dustin.
Justin?
Dustin.
Dustin?
Yeah.
Okay. Ha? Dara. Nilakaw rin tiyo? Ay, maybe there's... Asa lang kamanoy? Wala, dito pa lagi kan? Di ba nga tumuloy yun, no?
Wala silong? Wala sa kwarto ni, basta natulog sa kwarto.
Basig na sa kuwan.
See.
Maybe he's inside in the room.
All right, I knocked, but maybe not loud enough.
Okay.
I'll go with him and see.
Okay,
Thank you.
Hello.
Nanangita mo.
I guess he is home. I didn't go all the way inside. I felt like I was intruding, but he is here. Hey, my friend, how are you? It's...
Hello, my friend.
Hey, how are you? Sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up.
Have a seat.
All right.
So, where's your friend?
He couldn't come today. I was just coming today. I was gonna see if maybe I can meet you tomorrow at like 10 or 11 a.m.
Where?
Here.
Here? Balik na siya dito ni ka ugma alas 11. Yes, Jesus 11. Okay, he
Yeah?
will wait you.
Okay, I'll come tomorrow with the friend, with the translator, and unless you want to help me today, unless you want to help me today, be the translator today. You, it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my uncle.
Okay, cool. That's okay. Cool. Very nice. Okay, so someone donated you 1,000 pesos. So I'm going to give you 1,000 pesos. And
For
then
what?
for 1 month's pay here.
Yeah, okay.
So that, and then and I was gonna get you some rice or something and some other food, if you'd like. If
Mga kanya bugas, mga pagkaon para konsumo. Gan kanya direct pagkaon niya. Matag siya nimo 1,000 para abang balay.
okay,
Yeah,
is there a place nearby we can get some rice and maybe
Yeah.
chicken so you can have some
There at the
food for
market.
Christmas or something?
Just one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Want to walk there?
Right now?
unless you can't right now, or it's okay. It's okay right
It's
now.
okay.
All right.
We will go with you.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Augustine can come.
Okay.
All right. Oh, we wait here for a tricycle.
Yeah, wait there. The tricycle is just there.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, no problem. No problem. It's my pleasure. One of my subscribers donated it to you, so you can thank them. So this is Augustine's neighborhood. Take a little walk around.
Where are you going to ride? Here?
It doesn't matter. I can ride him back.
Okay, okay.
I'll ride him back.
Sabangan, ade, layo lang daw siya kayo kasi. Okay. Pau nga na ha, pau nga. I-off na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Namalog yung walang sa'yo ng timingan mo. Ha? Nagparking na kanina, Rama na. Kagay na oh.
Ma'am, can you ask him what he wants for a Christmas meal?
Kung saan may gusto mo para sa Pasko, yung malutin. Yung patakan para sa Pasko. Ganito lang.
It's up to you. It's
Just chicken.
chicken? Okay, we'll get some chicken and rice. All right. I think we all just woke up. This morning, we did the van run today with a van full of food, and we drove all around Cebu City and handed out food. And I took a long nap, and then I just woke up. And then I went to their house, and then I just woke them up. So I think we're all kind of walking around like zombies right now.
For Christmas, ninyo, spaghetti. Huh? Oh, gano'n naman din siya.
For Christmas.
Sure.
Sabay na.
So yung linata, tanawan na doon lang. Sila party. Ikaw po ka. Sige. Sige na. Kunin mo kaya siya ika after Christmas. Christmas gift na nagsiyanin mo. 20 lang. Ayun na. So, ang siya para sa... Sige na. Oh. Kaya ginaling atong isubak ani. Ginaling na lang. Sweet. Pus ka na? Pwede ka. Sunod. Ayan. Hari kapit. Wala na. Okay na?
All right.
Okay.
That was like a good meal. All right, we're gonna get him a nice Christmas meal. We got some rice, some noodles, spaghetti, some other kind of beef noodles, some canned goods, corned beef, coffee, a chicken. Man, I might have to come over for when you cook this. Looks good. Thank you. Alright, so my place, we're turning to Augustine's right now. My place where I'm staying is right down there. So I'm really not too far from Augustine's house. I kind of remembered where he was, but I took a chance and drove there today by myself. And I was gonna come back again tomorrow with a friend to kind of be the translator, but I ran into his niece, so she helped translate today. So now we're gonna head back to the house. Now give a whole month's pay of rent, and then I'll help him out for the whole month. So thanks for the donations. I really could not do this without you guys. This is so awesome to help him out like this.
Hey! Yo! Hey! Yo! Hey! Hey!
Yeah!
Hello. So I got you some Christmas supplies. There's some chicken in there, some rice, some cans, some canned goods, and some coffee, spaghetti. So hopefully you guys can have a really nice Christmas meal, all right? And then one of the donators from my YouTube channel wants to donate your month's rent. So here you go. Hopefully you can enjoy Christmas without worrying about paying for certain things. So no problem. It's really nice meeting you, Augustine. It's really nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting
Yeah, thank you for being the translator today and helping out.
He asked if you will come back tomorrow or not.
I don't think I'll be able to come back tomorrow. I'm going to Negros next week. So I'm gonna continue on my journey. I just wanted to make sure I came back and saw you before I left on my journey, just to be able to give you a nice Christmas dinner and then give you a month's rent. And yeah, Merry Christmas to you guys too. It was really a pleasure meeting you. All right, God bless, all right? I'll be here probably, oh, thank you, thank you. You're such a good guy. I like you a lot. Now I know where you guys live, so I'll try to come back again and visit you guys sometimes, all right? All right. Very, very nice family. It was really nice meeting you guys. All right. You guys take care. All right. Have a great Christmas. Hopefully that helps. You can worry less a little bit this Christmas and just enjoy your time. All right.
A helmet.
Oh, my helmet. All right, thank you so much. All right, see you guys later. Merry Christmas. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back home. I hope that helps with Augustine for the month. He can worry a little less this Christmas and enjoy his nice meal. And thank you so much for the donations. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. But, hello. Hi.
Can we sing Christmas song?
If you want to, sure.
Okay. Can we
On TV, that was really good. I'll give him a little donation. There you go. There you go. God bless. Bye.
Thank you. Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.